Hi guys, today we play the intro of Sweet Child of Mine from Guns N' Roses using only Ableton instrument and audio effects. This exercise is great because you get to understand the use of patterns in music composition, practice with Ableton Live built-in instruments and effects, practice playing a melody with the Ableton push. So let's dig in. Here I'm playing with the piano first, just to show you the notes. You'll need to select the C sharp scale, which is the equivalent of B flat major. So to play the intro with the push, you'll have the left hand playing the bass notes, and the right hand will be just playing the same pattern. So it goes like, and then we switch notes from the left, but the right keep playing the same notes. And then we go up a note with the left hand. And then we go down. The point of this exercise is for you to understand that you can pretty much mimic any sound you have in your head or a sound you listen to with the Ableton stock sound, instrument and audio effect. For this exercise, I listened many times to the song, and I was listening to the studio version. I was looking for an instrument that was close enough to the sound that I was hearing in the track. So if I turn off all the effects, I'll put down the volume a bit. So this is what I ended up with. It was this draw lead, which is in instrument track synth lead. The other one that I was also testing was the basic nylon concerto. So this one is less rough for a beginning. Let's keep this one for now. Then listening to the song more focused, I thought we need a reverb, so I added foyer and I put a low cut and put down the dry wet to 71%. That was close enough to what I was hearing in the studio version from Guns N' Roses. And then of course, so foyer, this is a reverb in the hall in Ableton Live. Then I added the rectifier, which is a saturator. So when we add the rectifier, it gives this crunchiness in the guitar, and I put down the dry wet to 27%. That was too much, so I put it down. And finally, always put an EQ. I always put a first EQ, a high pass filter on 100 Hz to leave room for the bass and the kick. I removed everything that was in the high end because it was a bit of a pain for my ears. Let's listen. So yeah, I prefer this sound. And I also added one in the middle to remove some frequencies that I didn't really like. And that's pretty much it. That's how I built the sound that was for me close enough to what I was hearing in Guns N' Roses. And once you have this setup, well, you can play again with the instrument that you put at the beginning. So let's try some other instrument rather than the basic nylon concerto. No. This one is interesting. Anyhow, I think you got the message. You can pretty much have fun and get creative with this kind of technique. So now I think it's about time to jam.